Hey Fashionistas! Ready to transform your wardrobe with the latest and greatest from the world of fashion? Join us as we dive deep into seasonal fashion hauls that will leave you inspired and excited to refresh your closet. Fall into fashion. Discover the coziest, trendiest pieces perfect for layering as the leaves turn golden. From oversized sweaters to chic ankle boots, we've got the must-haves to keep you warm and stylish. Winter wonders. Say goodbye to the winter blues with our curated selection of snuggly scarves, statement coats, and festive party wear. Learn how to blend comfort with couture as we battle the chilly months in style. Spring Fling. Bloom in vibrant floral prints and lightweight fabrics as we transition into the sunny days of spring. We'll show you how to embrace pastel palettes and fresh, breezy styles that scream rebirth and rejuvenation. Summer Sizzle. Beat the heat with sizzling summer essentials. Think flowy dresses, trendy bikinis, and all the accessories that make a splash. We'll guide you through effortless, cool looks perfect for beach days and endless summer nights. Why subscribe? Exclusive sneak peeks. Be the first to see new collections from top brands. Honest reviews. Get our real thoughts on fit, quality, and value. Style tips. Learn how to mix and match pieces to create standout outfits. Interactive fun. Vote on what we should haul next and join our live Q&A sessions. Turn on your notifications so you never miss an update. New hauls drop every week, packed with inspiration and shopping tips tailored just for you. Let's make this season your most stylish ever. Subscribe now. Hit the subscribe button and join our fabulous community. Let's unbox, try, and slay together. Your fashion journey to fabulous begins here.